My name is Rosalind Whittaker. I've been with the Child Care Substitute program since 2016. I was attending a training session for the Y. I used to sub for them, and I met one of the managers of ChildcareMatters, and she recruited me and told me she wanted to start up the program, and I was very interested and asked her what I needed to do. She told me. I went through all of the procedures that needed to get done, the fingerprinting, and there was some ID and information they needed, some transcripts and such, and training. When I signed up, it was pretty much online training. We had to have first aid training. We had to be certified in first aid training. We had to have certain child abuse classes, and anything that was available to hold, face-to-face, I took advantage of. But I was already in class and in Nashville State taking early childhood classes, so I pretty much came equipped, and I was also certified as a teacher. So there really wasn't much that I needed to do. I was interested in preschool because I just saw a need for children to get a good start. Well, most of the time when I take an assignment, I talk to the director ahead of time. I understand what the director's needs are for that particular classroom. I observe for a little bit, and then I just get into it. I pretty much, it's a seamless thing for me, but if I were a new teacher, I would just say that, get a chance to observe, get a chance to interact with the kids, and then you should be fine, because the directors and their staff will support you. There's just an immense need, so much that they're looking at other levels of education to hire subs. So I have a smartphone, and you really need that. Or a computer, or whatever. I get my notifications via text message and or email. And when I get a message, I know there's an assignment that is listed. I'll go on the platform for ChildcareMatters. I'll look at the school, I'll look at the hours, I'll look at the grade level or preschool versus infant, toddler, and then I will select and say I'm available, and then it'll say okay, and then that's to let you know, do you really want it? And then you wait a while, and then the school will accept, or the director will accept you, and then you're ready to schedule. I just calendared after that. The preschools have directors who really have their acts together. They really do. They have supplies, they have materials for the students, they have the environment for the students, and they have staff that really care about the students. So working in that environment, you feel supported, you feel nurtured. Even if you're experienced, you still feel nurtured. And it's like a family. And that's why I stay with it, because most of these folks, they're like family. I think it may, in some cases, be a starter job. For me, it was an after retirement job. But it could, just be whatever you want it to be. And that's, I think, the message, that subbing is what you want it to be.